Tonight, there's new hope for Alzheimer's patients. A Middle Tennessee clinic is revolutionizing the way they treat the disease, and it's using familiar technology. News 2's Neil Orne digs into the treatment and shows us how it works.
When we lose our memory, we lose our sense of self, and that loss is a profound grief that often leads to denial.
We're losing the Alzheimer's battle in a big way. Rates are rising at an alarming pace. There is hope. New treatments are coming in a big way. This is just one, and it's called therapeutic plasma exchange.
This is the science of apheresis. Apheresis, where you take blood out of the body, modify it somehow, and then put it back in. And what we're doing here is cleaning the blood.
Call it an overnight success story, 20 years in the making, using a patient's own blood to battle this disease.
This is not new technology. This is a therapeutic plasma exchange has been used for a long time to treat severe autoimmune disease.
The rejuvenization of the blood treating dementia is being done here at the MaxWell Clinic in Maryland Farms. It happens to be the largest of its kind in the country.
The reason why this is not more available is that it requires high technology, highly trained people.
It is therapies like this providing hope for the nearly 500,000 families and caregivers that struggle daily in the state. And hopefully it will one day be covered by insurance.
It is terrifying. But there's also, like we've talked about, hope. There's also excitement. We've had 3 new treatments, the newest one July 2nd that was approved by the FDA.
Melissa Cuthbertson knows the journey too well. First her dad, now her mom. This advocate for the Alzheimer's Association and pharmacist is always looking for options and answers for Tennesseans affected.
129,000 people that are living with the disease, and about 369 caregivers that are taking their time to caregive for those that have dementia.
And it's nearly 500 million hours of caregiver time that is expended in taking care of those individuals that are afflicted by this disease. And the stress on caregivers is tremendous.
The MaxWell Clinic is providing that hope, slowing, even stopping the progression, but it's also spearheading clinical research. Dr. David H.O.P.E and his team feel the answers are coming. They've seen it.
We have to gather this data because this is an epidemic that is robbing us of really our very lives.
Neil Orne, News 2.
Dr. H.O.P.E says most patients get benefits from the treatment almost immediately. In some cases, doctors have been able to stop or even reverse the decline. And the hope is the data the clinic is compiling will eventually allow insurance companies to cover the therapy.